l'hymne de la Serbie.
Ladies and gentlemen, the anthem of Serbia.
皆様、セルビア国歌の演奏です。
Ladies and gentlemen, the anthem of Serbia.
Your anthem always sounds sweeter than Olympic Games, but it sounds even sweeter when you've got a gold medal hanging around your neck. Congratulations to Serbia, to Greece and to Hungary, who have all made the podium here in the water polo. Hungary, of course, got the bronze medal in the women's as well, so plenty of positives to take for Hungarian water polo.